Advantages of GDP detection versus GTP depletion. Exciting new strategies for inhibiting GTPases in the Ras and Rho families have emerged over the last several years, increasing the need for robust biochemical assays suitable for mechanistic and selectivity studies. GTPases act as molecular switches, which are on when GTP is bound, and off after hydrolysis to GDP. This function makes them especially challenging for detection in a biochemical assay. Rather than evolving for maximum catalytic efficiency, they hydrolyze GTP very slowly. This means that detecting their catalytic activity requires a highly sensitive assay. The best way to monitor enzyme activity is to measure product formation in as simple a way as possible. The Transcreener GDP assay measures GTPase enzyme activity by directly measuring the GDP produced during hydrolysis. By detecting GDP output, the assay provides a universal method to assess the activity of any GDP-producing enzyme in real time. This is what the Transcreener GDP assay does. The GDP formed binds to a highly selective antibody, displacing a fluorescent tracer and generating the assay signal. The fluorescence endpoints are highly sensitive, allowing robust detection of GDP at concentrations less than 10 nanomolar. The signal can be converted to the amount of GDP formed using a standard curve, enabling the quantitative measurements of GTPase activity that are required for determining the potency or mechanism of action of inhibitors. Currently, the main alternative to the Transcreener GDP assay is to monitor depletion of GTP. Substrate depletion assays are inherently less sensitive and less robust than product formation assays because you are measuring small decreases in a large initial signal. This means that more enzyme is required to produce a sufficient signal-to-noise ratio. And even then, Z-prime values are likely to suffer. Remember that to accurately measure enzyme activity and inhibitor IC50s, substrate consumption should not exceed 10%. So the limitations of a substrate depletion assay are very real. On top of this, the methods used for GTP detection, such as luminescence, involve using enzymes, such as luciferase, to generate a signal. And there is real potential for assay interference if compounds inhibit the signaling enzymes. The Transcreener GDP assays, whether FP, FI or TR-FRET, are the most sensitive and robust HTS assay available for measuring GTPase activity. And they have been extensively validated with recombinant human GTPases, including wild-type and mutant Ras enzymes, both internally and in drug discovery labs around the world. Contact Bellbrook Labs to find out more about our Transcreener GDP assays.